In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Microsoft Planner group. If you no longer need a plan in Microsoft Planner, it's important to know how to remove it correctly. Deleting a plan is a permanent action, so before you continue, make sure you no longer need the plan or any of the tasks inside it. Once deleted, the plan and its task information will not be available anymore. To begin, open the Microsoft Planner plan that you want to remove. When you're on the plan's main board view, look toward the top area of the screen for the three-dot menu. This is the More Options menu, and it contains additional settings related to the current plan. Go ahead and click those three dots to open the menu. Once the menu appears, look for the option labeled Plan Details and click on it. This section gives you access to more information and management settings for the plan. If you're following along in your own account, take a moment here to confirm that you're working in the correct plan before moving forward, especially if you manage multiple planner boards. Inside the Plan Details area, scroll or look for the option that says Delete this plan. When you find it, click on that option. This is the point where Microsoft starts the deletion process, so you should only continue if you're sure you want to remove the plan completely. After that, a confirmation prompt will appear. You'll need to click the checkbox next to the statement confirming that you understand this plan and all of its tasks will be permanently deleted. This step is there to make sure the deletion is intentional, since this action cannot be easily reversed. Read the message carefully, then check the box to confirm. Once the confirmation box is selected, the final delete button will become available. Click Delete to permanently remove the Microsoft Planner plan. After you do this, the plan will be deleted and you should no longer see it in your planner list. If you were using that plan with a team, it's a good idea to make sure everyone is aware before deleting it, so no one loses access to active work unexpectedly. And that's it. That's how to delete a Microsoft Planner group. If you're cleaning up old plans, always double check the contents first so you don't remove anything important by mistake. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.